couple of sets of me doing chest. I'll mix it up and hit some triceps, but it's definitely time to take the pump cover off. I got people staring at me. They're like, since when you start recording at the gym? One of the bigger and better things, man. So we go 35, like an overhead tricep extension. You want to get that full contraction. Yep, it's probably a little too heavy, but we're gonna rock out with it. Oh, if you grab the weight, you gotta at least do one set, man. At least. And I've been slacking on my triceps. And if you ain't sound like I'm sounding when you're working out, you ain't doing nothing, man. Oh yeah. Let's go down a little bit so we can get that full stretch. Let's rock out with the 20s. So crazy update, man. Crazy, transition. I'm probably like, yo, what is going on with the bench? I'm good. I am totally good. I'm blessed. Everything has been falling into line, and I finally kind of just, I'm not a new year, new me type of person, so I just went ahead and say, you know what, we about to start the day. You know what I'm saying? Start the day on, doing something that I genuinely love and appreciate, and that's fitness and working out and just going hard. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not going to be away from shoes, but I got like 4 unboxings, literally 4 unboxings from the past couple weeks I've been going. Some double up heat, some early stuff that ain't probably gonna be early by the time I show it, because haven't really been too gravitated and pulled towards shoes. Like honestly, like I haven't been in this studio in this room in like probably 2 weeks, like honestly. So being here does feel good. It's kind of chopped up with you guys, but for everybody that has been reaching out on IG and stuff like that, man, everything has been Gucci. But I need y'all to, support me on this new journey. I know my day one's definitely gonna tap in, show out, and show support. But for everybody else that's new here, yes, this is how I got the first 100-some K on the channel, but we on the bigger and better things, like I said. So you guys gonna see different videos, different content about fitness, lifestyle, all that stuff. Trust me, laser Dan locked in. You guys will definitely see those updates very soon. But if you guys new here to the channel, right now, everybody do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. If you got any questions, any videos think I should do, any muscle groups you want me to target, any dietary, advice that you guys want me to, give you guys, let me know in the comment section. I'm definitely on a full tear, bro, full tear with the content. So need you guys to rock out support. But I love y'all. Catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.